Hello friends, welcome back to Easy to Learn Tech and thank you for watching all my previous video. In this video, we are going to see 5 safety tips for the air conditioning. If you are watching my video first time, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notification. In this video, we are going to discuss some simple AC safety tips that can protect you and your family members from injury and the worst. Let's see the first AC safety tips. Have AC tune up before the summer season or the peak time. If you are not using your AC for long period, then there can be lot of dirt and dust trapped in the AC. There could also be damaged wires and circuit issue. If not attended to, this issue poses a safety threat to your family and your loved ones at the home. The dust and dirt could cause allergy and other health issue while improper wiring can cause electric short circuit. The best way to prevent this type of problems from occurring is with a annual AC tune-up by a qualified HVAC professional technician. Let's see the second safety tips for your air conditioning. There should be regular change and clean your air conditioning filter. An AC filter removes contaminated from the air coming through the air conditioning system. It serves to make your room as comfortable as possible by removing the pollution such as dust, dirt and allergy. If the filter is old or damaged, you will expose to unsafe polluted air, so clean and change them as often as necessary. If the filters are damaged, change as frequently as you can and you will get fresh air coming from your air conditioning.
AC safety tips number 3. Disconnect all power source when servicing the AC unit. Before you start removing any screw and working on the wiring, be sure that you have switched off all power outlet. You should also be aware that some air conditioning units have more than one power switch. If you are unsure about the location of all these switches, do not attempt to do the service the AC on your own. Call a professional technician and do the servicing. Let's see the AC safety tips 4. Follow all the safety procedures in the AC manufacturing guide because different types of electrical equipment require different handling. You can't handle your AC the same way you handle certain other residential appliances. Unfortunately, manufacturers always supply a user manual along with each appliances. Make sure to follow the guidelines in your AC manual at all the times. Otherwise, in addition, you put your life at risk. You may run the risk of losing your manufacturing warranty also. Let's see the AC safety tips 5, but not the least. Be aware of changes in your AC units. You should know when something looks or sound out of the ordinary. If you see wires sticking out of the AC units or if you detect leaking refrigerant or hearing unusual noise coming from the unit, you should take this as a sign of trouble. If you detect such issue, don't wait, contact a licensed AC technician for professional help.